Okay, Nostra is addressed to people that we call energy citizens. Energy citizens are people that want to make a difference and they want to become active player in the energy market. More specifically, our initiative is addressed to families, individuals, businesses and NGO that want to consume energy produced only by renewable energy sources. The idea to create a business in the energy community domain starts in 2010 when Avanzi, one of the founders of Nostra, was involved in a project for the region Puglia, and this project was focused on promoting social acceptance of power plants and wind farms. In that case, we find out that the community approach could be a useful solution to address this problem of acceptability and to reduce the conflicts in the local domain. When we find out this solution to address the social acceptance problem, we decided to submit a proposal for the Intelligent Energy project in 2011. And so we found several partners in the North countries, some cooperatives already involved in this kind of businesses. So we tried to submit a proposal and we got the funding to create a federation of cooperatives in the renewable energy market, and at the same time we created Nostra as the national businesses and case in Italy. We got the solution and the idea to develop this business model thanks to the dialogue with several partners within the RESCOPE 2020 project. Thanks to the contribution from other partners, we at the beginning changed a bit our business model because our idea was to create the first supplier in Italy with a cooperative model, and the business model entails to supply energy to at least 5,000 members at a price more high than the market price. But thanks to this contribution, we decided to change a bit the business model and decide, even if it was not sustainable, to sell at a lower price and to start selling energy also without 3,000 to 5,000 members. So we start just with 600 people that trust in this business. Nostra is the first ethical and democratic renewable energy supplier in the national market, and our mission is to produce and to deliver energy from renewable energy sources, and in this way to engage a lot of people into the transition, into the energy transition. The way how to engage this member is quite easy. People that want to join the energy community have to first of all become members, and to do that they have to submit a demand of involvement and to pay two cooperative shares for the value of 25 euros each. Then, if they want to become clients of this supplier, they had to sign a contract, and the price of the energy is quite in line with the market. At the end, if they also want to produce their energy to be consumed, they have to invest in some shares of the power plants that we are planning to install, and the amount is at least 500 to 700 euros. The partners that were important in founding this great business are obviously the founders, Avanzi, and which is a consultancy think tank aimed at promoting sustainability and social innovation. Rete Energia Cooperative, which is a cooperative that produces energy from renewable energy sources, and Energo Club Onlus, which promote the energy saving as a mission. Moreover, several partners have a great role to promote Enostra from the scratch, from the beginning of this venue. In particular, Banca Etica from Padova and Radio Popolare Etica have a great role, because we sign a commercial partnership with them based on the same values and the same principles. And that's the way we are going to enlarge our communities, because we are signing this kind of contracts, this kind of partnership with institutional actors in order to achieve their members and their associates. So the role of our partners is crucial to enhance this great initiative.